Make your speech a success. Once a young priest asked his honest grandmother how she found his first sermon. She answered, "I noticed only 3 flaws in it. First, you were reading. Second, you were not reading very well. And third, that sermon was not worth reading at all." We can only imagine how the priest reacted to such words. But I don't think he was pleased. In some colleges and universities, after submitting your term papers, you have to present them orally. You are expected to make public speeches and to capture the attention of your exacting professors. How to avoid such comment from their side? And instead impress them with your speaking and be proud of yourself? They say that if you steal one idea, it is plagiarism, and if a lot of then it is education. Why can't we learn from the most prominent orators and their secrets of success? Let's do it right now. No long speeches. You can make a speech longer than 20 minutes, but remember you are not paid for it. Never say in conclusion, "And the last thing I would like to tell you," if you have more than a minute before the actual end. Your listeners will be bored to death when after these words you continue speaking for another 15 minutes. Maneuvering. Without some maneuvers, your speech will be insipid like meat without salt. Expression. Your speech is your way of giving a part of you to people. Expression may be considered as inner speech. Be emotional, and people will listen to you with interest. Humor, not at colleges/universities. If you are not making your speech on your college term paper, say something funny and something humorous at the beginning of the speech. If people smile at you, they are yours. Humor is some kind of emotional argument, which people accept with pleasure. Practice makes perfect. If you are at the football ground for the first time, you are hardly to become a leading player. Don't miss a single opportunity to make speeches in public. Pausing. Mom said that if you took a pause, make it a long one. Scientists determined that being silent, not shouting, serves as an attention grabber. Your pauses will give a listener ability to think about your words. Don't panic. You must not make excuses like, "You had too little time for preparation. See the microphone for the first time. You are worried," and so on. It has a negative effect on the emotional atmosphere among the audience. And then it will be more difficult and confusing for you to go on speaking. It is better to joke, and if you stumbled, that is all right. Make a pause and then go ahead. Let your silence be thoughtful. You will impress everyone if after a reflecting pause, you will continue your speech with more energy. Contrasts always capture attention.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.